everybody. Everybody, get out. Finally here. And it's real this time. Okay, everybody. Have a great day. Move it. Oh, hi. Sorry, I'm not your type. Oh, okay. Oh. Are they sunbathing or something? I don't know. Oh, why is the ground so hard? Don't ask me, I'm just new to the world. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, you can't sit over there. You have to come over here. Why? Because I said so, and you're in my group, not in theirs. These aren't groups, these are just places